How to hide apps from app library. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can hide one app from app library, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to hide a single app from app library, the issue over here seems to be that I can definitely hide applications from my home screen, right? So if I want to hide, let's say Telegram in this case, I would just need to long press on it, tap on the remove app option or tap on remove from home screen. It would be hidden from the home screen. But then the problem here seems to be that if I search for it in the app library, I will still be able to find them, as you can see. So how do we go ahead and then remove it even from the app library? That's what we want to find, right? Well, there isn't actually a perfect solution to this because Apple has not integrated this feature into their system. They don't let a user or an iPhone user completely hide their applications even from app library. They say that there are some third-party applications, but I searched for them personally and I couldn't find any. If you know any applications that does help you actually hide applications even from app library, make sure to leave them down in the comment section because I'll be sure to check them out. However, I can actually offer you a closest alternative option possible, and that is if you want to actually completely hide those applications which is rated content wise. So on App Store, how your applications work is that they are rated content wise. So for example, some applications are only available for 4+ age groups and 13+ age groups, 16+ age groups, 17+ age groups, and so on. You can actually hide all of the applications that comes above 16+ age groups or 17+ age groups, or let's say 4+ age groups. So in this case, all you have to do is go ahead and then simply open up settings, right? So once you open settings, you want to go to the option called screen time. So just go to the option called screen time in this case, and then once you go to screen time, you want to make sure to turn it on and then go to content and privacy restrictions. Make sure to turn on content and privacy restrictions, and then here you want to come to content restrictions. So you have to simply enter your screen time passcode over here, and then you'll see this interface where under the apps section over here, just go to apps. So over here, how this works is that, as I explained to you before, if you select 4+, all of the applications that are not available for under 4 users is going to be hidden from your app store or from your app library or even from your home screen. So if I select 4+ over here, you can see many of the applications has actually disappeared than before. Now they will also not be able to see in the app library section because those applications are 4+ and under 4 content rated. That's why you will not be able to find it. Otherwise, if the application is rated only for 9+ users, and if you're not above 9+ age, then you will not be able to go ahead and then see those applications. Similarly, you can go ahead and then actually do 12+ or 17+, and if they are rated content wise, which means that if the, let's say in this case I take Telegram app, and Telegram application is only available for people who are 16+, and if you select over here, let's say 12+, it basically means that you are not over 16 years of age. As a result, you will not be able to see the Telegram application on the home screen just like this. And this is actually the closest solution possible. You have to find out the content, but the downside of it is that you cannot select individual apps, because if you select a specific age group, it is going to hide all those that comes under those content rating. So hope this video helped you answer the question. Hopefully Apple is going to update this in the future, but for now this is actually the closest solution that I can offer you. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.